Your name and who you represent?
My name is Chris Agbiti.
Hey.
Presented the appellant, Mr. Kennedy Manson of the Labour Party.
Your reaction to this just
Yes, the court has just delivered a judgment on appeal challenging the decision of the trial court in Benin. Principally, one of our ground of appeal is that the court did not make any pronouncement on the arguments in respect of motion and motion taken by parties for which judgment was reserved. And so it formed part of our principal ground of appeal that no pronouncement was made on argument taken by parties in respect of an application taken out by the first respondent, Olumide Akpata, why the court found for us that that was a valid point and indeed deprecated the attitude of the trial court. But in a twist, the court decided this appeal against the appellant. Well, that will be determined. It's yet to be determined. We will go and study this judgment and then take our informed decision on that. My name is Chris Agbiti. Thank you.